Hello everyone and welcome to Broccoli Master YouTube channel. I am very excited to announce you that we are starting a brand new Python series in which you will learn everything from the basics. Whether you are a complete beginner or wants to level your Python skills, this playlist will guide you step by step. And along with that, we will also building a tons of project on the way from the beginner to the advanced level. So if you are aiming to become a Python Django developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or dive into the world of AI, this playlist is for you. I will covering all the essential libraries and the frameworks that will help you to reach your goals. And guys, if you still have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please make sure that subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So now, without wasting your time, let's dive into the introduction of Python. So Python is one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the world. It is known for its simple and easy to learn, which makes it perfect for the beginner. But guys, don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is also super powerful. That's why a very big tech companies like Google, Instagram and Netflix is still using the Python. Whether you are building a websites, working with data or developing AI models, Python can do it all. And also it's widely used in the field of web developments, machine learning, data science, and also even though in automation. One of the best things about the Python is that its huge community and the number of libraries and frameworks that are available on the internet. This makes coding faster and easier because you don't have to start from scratch every time. I hope with the help of this video you get a simple overview of the Pythons, and from the next video we will continue our Python series. Till now, keep watching and keep coding. Thanks for watching the video.